Yes, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about these air heaters which can be used as bulbs, and it can be placed in a bulbs and it can make a hot air from sucking from the top side and throwing it from the downside from using the fan, and then using that heater inside it can create a very good enclosures for the enclosures, cages, brooders or anything else, or for your personal use. For their usages, there is a sample here that it can be used in these kind of enclosures like these turtle box or these cat box and other things. So it can be used in a lot of applications for the heating purposes, and it is a very good source of heating because it is using a fan exactly for distributing the air. So it is a very good method if you are trying to warm up your room or for your personal use or anywhere else where the pets are. So you can see there are chickens and there are dogs and anything else like these animals, like these pets, for birds, for hamsters, for turtles, for chicks and rabbits. But these are not only examples, there are a lot of vast majority where we can use this. So from this heater, which is model number is mt808 100 watt to 200 watt, to this mt900 150 watt, mt3109 300 watt, mt803 maximum 500 watt. So these can be used single by single, or if you have very big setup, so you can use multiple of them. So it can be placed hang up on the top side which is meant for it. It can be hang from the top like a bulb or a fan place, and it can be used for heating up the room, which is very good solution for the pet enclosures, anything else. So these builds are good, and I cannot say about their quality of about this one. It might look like a cheap one, plastic quality, but after these ones looks perfectly good quality. I have on them, all one of them are working perfectly, and they are working great and can be used for a lot of projects. But these two are different and these two are different, because these two are same in not controlling the temperature, do not have any limit. So you have to use them in open enclosures, like stables or a big farmhouse or something like that. But these can be used in a small enclosure, in small places like a box, 2 by 2 feet box, 3 by 3 feet box. So these can be used for the enclosures, like because it can control the temperature from the sensor. It will turn off the heater when it reaches 35 Celsius, and this one will turn off the heater when it reaches 32 Celsius. This one is perfect for the newborn chicks, and these are perfect for newborn chicks and any other pets which needs more heat than their body demands, like turtle or something like that. But if you know, these are very good option. Otherwise you have to make your own. You can make your own by connecting all of those things like controllers, fans, heater, connection of the wiring, enclosure and everything you have to do by yourself. Or you can just buy this one and just hang it up and it will start working. Anything problem happens, just take it out and change it. So these are the 4 available air heaters, bulb type, available in my position right now. But if you can search the physical form you can see from here, and I have make all of them. If you want any of these heaters detailed information, please comment in the comment box, so I may be able to, I might be make the more information about the individual heaters. Yes, I already have made one by one in Urdu Hindi videos. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.